Assalamu-Alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This is your host Ally Hassan, and in today's video we will gonna do unboxing of Airpods generation 3. Oh yeah, this is it. Is it? Why it's not boxing? Yeah. So I ordered that Airpods and I did not open. I thought that I should make a video while opening this. I have like these one like second generation, and I'm not that too much into technology, and I'm not that much lover of AirPods and all that stuff, but I have iPhone 13 still, and so I ordered that earphones and we should open this now with you guys. So I should tilt my camera down so you guys can see easily. So here's the thing. So let's open this. Yeah, you should focus on my AirPods just. Yeah. So I don't know how to open this. Maybe stickers over here. Oh, like this. Is it? I believe it's the thing. Oh, we did it roughly like this, and then grab this one like this. No, like this. We did it. I don't know why it's not focusing just on my AirPods. Please do focus on this thing only. So here's the thing. So we should open that box, please. I don't know I did it like correctly or not. Oh, really? Ooh, how we can open this? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. Wow. Sorry. Ooh. Yeah, here we go. So, ta-da-da! This is the thing. I want to show you guys. Yeah, it is. This is the box, like the ordinary one. Here it is. So, if we open this thing, let me check this first. So it says Airpods, maybe the usage, how to use this and all that stuff, a book, and how to connect with the phone. We know that thing. And this is the same thing too. This is the same thing. Yeah, these are just the instructions, I believe. Okay. So here's the thing. Yeah, that's all done. And this is the product. I'm sorry. This is the product. I don't know why I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, with this is the box. If we open this box, yay, we got a charger too. Like just the cable, as every iPhone accessory have only cables. We have to buy our, the pluggers, the adapters. So this is the cable, and these are my AirPods. That's all in this box. Yeah, we have to open like this maybe. Yeah, I hope so. And this is good to go. We should open this. There's a great light. Oh, this one and this one, and then after that, oh, that's all. If you can see. So I messed up everything. This is the way I do unboxing. So then after that we should plug it to our ears like this and like this. Yo, we are looking nice. So that's all for today. So guys, that's all for today's video. Mola Ali said known prayer is more useful than wisdom. So now do whatever you wanna do, man, but don't trouble your mother and father. Allah Hafiz.